Hey guys, Nicole here from Backers Bonus, and today we're going to take a look at this new software called CTA Bots. Now this is going live today at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, and what this software does is that it basically allows you to add in these CTA bots that are highly engaging onto your website. And what's unique about these bots is that you are able to create these animated speaking scarcity bots, which basically takes you a step further into increasing scarcity into your offers. So here's an example of one of these animated CTA bots that you can add into your websites.
Hurry, the price of CTA bots will go up when the timer expires. Don't pay more than you have to. Get it now.
So as you've noticed, it's quite eye-catching because apart from it has an animated CTA feature over here, it also has that text-to-speech feature. All right, so let me go ahead and show you how to create these call to actions. So let's go ahead and log in the dashboard. So once you're in the dashboard, first thing that you need to do before you start creating your bots is that you need to set up the time zone that it follows. This is important if you're going to add in timers to your call to actions. So to do that, go to My Account. And what you'll need to do is to enter your login information for verification. That would be your user email and the password. And this is where you can choose the time zone. And once you've selected that, click on Update Account. So all timers that you set up within your call to action bots will follow the time zone that you've set up under My Account. All right, so to create your bots, go ahead and go to My Bots. Click on Create New. Now, first it will ask you to create a name for your bot. So you'll be able to identify it among the other bots that you have created for your websites. So we're just going to name this as a test bot. Click on Save New. Then it should be added to the dashboard where it will show you all of the bots that you have created. So to set it up, click on Edit. The software is really simple to use. All you need to do is to fill up all of these information and your call to action is good to go. So again, you already have your bot name. Now next, you need to choose your animated bot. So this is the preview of what your animated call to action will look like and the actions that it will be doing. So let's go ahead and choose a bot. So these are the options that are available. So you can go ahead and click on Nikki, and then you'll see that there is a preview on the right side. And also, as I mentioned, these are animated bots, and they do have a sequence of actions. And you can actually choose the sequence of actions from here. So right now, this is sequence 1. So if you change it to a different sequence, you'll see the preview over here. All right, then next you'll need to choose the voice that will be used for your call to action. So it's defaulted at Matthew English, but there are other options that you can choose from. So you can go ahead and click on a different voice if you like. This is where you add in the text for the text-to-speech feature of your call to action. So let's just say we'd like the call to action to mention this. If you would like to hear a preview of how it's going to sound like, you can go ahead and click this here.
The price is increasing very soon. If you haven't got access to this software already, you still have time to get it at the lowest price offered.
If you would like to change that, then you could just choose another voice, then click on the preview. But if you are satisfied with this part here, then you can go ahead and move on to the text that will appear on the call to action. So this can be different from the audio that will be This can be different from the speak text content. So again, what you add here is what is going to appear on the call to action, the text above the timer. All right, and once you've added that, you can either add in a timer if you want, or if not, then you can just leave this as no. But if you'd like to add in a timer on the call to action, then click on yes, and this is where you set up the time on when you would like it to expire. So for example, we are talking about a price increase. So let's just say that your next price increase is going to happen at midnight. So you can just, so again, this follows the time zone that you set up under the My Account tab. So you can just go ahead and add in the date and the time. All right, and the final steps is for you to add in the text to be added onto the button of the call to action and the URL where you would like your visitors to be redirected to after they click on the call to action. Now, for example, I'm using this call to action to be added to a promotional page that I'm using to promote the product. So again, you just need to add in the URL where you would like it to be redirected after a visitor clicks on the call to action. So let's just say this is the URL. Once you've added all of the information that is required for the call to action bot, then you can click on Save Changes. Now the final step is for you to add in the call to action to your website. To do that, click on Embed and then select the position of the bot of where you would like it to appear on your web page, whether you'd like it on the left side or on the right side. So we're just going to leave it on left and click on Generate Embed Code and copy this code and paste it on your website. And that's how simple it is to create these call to action bots. All right, so again, this is going live today at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. If you would like to find out more about this product and the bonuses that we are offering, do check them out below this video. So again, this would be CTA Bots. Thanks for listening.